Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure your keyboard is connected and recognized. This avoids surprises later. Once done, open the Settings app on your device. On Windows, go to Settings Time and Language Typing. On Mac OS, use System Preferences Keyboard. Make sure Bluetooth is on if using wireless. Do not skip device recognition. Now locate the keyboard pane so you can access inputs, layout, repeat rate, and modifier key options, because these are the controls you'll adjust next. Now change layout and behavior to match your workflow. Add or remove input languages, then set a primary layout. This affects key mapping directly. Next, tune key repeat rate and delay so typing feels natural, faster repeat for coding, slower for editing. Configure dead keys or compose keys if you need accents. Once that's set, remap modifier keys or enable single-key shortcuts to streamline actions, because small adjustments here reduce errors and speed up tasks. Finish by customizing shortcuts and saving your configuration. Create or edit hotkeys for common commands and export your settings if the system supports it. This saves time when switching devices. Then thoroughly test. Type a paragraph, use media keys, and verify shortcuts behave as expected. If things go wrong, try repairing the device, reinstalling keyboard drivers, or resetting settings to default. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot after driver changes to ensure the OS loads new mappings correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.